Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to another video. In this section we're gonna to discuss about solving quadratic equations, but not with delta, with a tricky ways. What is the notice? In every equations, if your coefficient combination is 0, you don't need to calculate by delta. What we must do? Immediately, one of the root answer is 1 and another one is c divided to a. What is the c? Is a constant. What is the a? Is coefficient of x power 2. Okay, let's follow this note and solve this question. The combination of 3 minus 5 and 2 is 0, yes? Therefore, one of the root exactly is 1 and another one is 2 divided 3. It's so simple. But another one, it's so nasty because we have a radical, yes? But this one and this one is cancelled, but also this and this. They cancel each other, therefore the combination is 0. But one of the root immediately is 1 and another one is constant divided to coefficient of x squared. Exactly radical 2 over 2 plus c divided to minus radical 2 over 2. Am I right? But let's at the first solve this question. Also in here, b is 0, yes? The coefficient of x is 0, but they can cancel each other and therefore one of the root is 1 and another is coefficient of constant divided to coefficient of x power 2 and other root therefore is minus radical 3 over 3 divided to radical 3 over 3 and answer is minus 1. But what is the point 2? In here is not the combination of coefficient 0, but the coefficient of b exactly is equal by summation of a and c. And after that, if in any equation disappeared, one of the root is x minus 1 and another one is minus c divided to a. Exactly is the previous answer but multiplied by negative. In here, for example, 3x power 2 plus 5x minus 8, yes, the combination of 3, 5 minus 8 is 0. Therefore, one of the root is 1 and another one is c divided to a is minus 8 over 3. Am I right? But in here, what is that? Yes, b equal to a plus c because minus 5 equal to 3 plus, yes, minus 8, yes? Therefore, one of the root exactly is minus 1 and another one, x2, is minus 8 over a exactly in here is 3. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.